Decoding credit rating agencies, understanding economic implications of national ratings. Recently, the rating agency Fitch downgraded the US government's top credit rating, a move that surprised investors around the world. Did you know that credit rating agencies play a crucial role in our global economy? Let's dive into what they do and why their ratings matter. Credit rating agencies, such as Standard & Poor's, Moody's, and Fitch, assess the creditworthiness of governments, corporations, and financial instruments. Their ratings provide investors and lenders with an indication of the risk associated with lending money to a particular entity. When it comes to countries, credit rating agencies evaluate a nation's ability to repay its debts. They analyze factors like economic growth, political stability, fiscal policies, and government debt. Based on this analysis, they assign a rating to a country, like AAA, AA, or BBB, indicating its creditworthiness. These ratings have significant implications for a country's economy. A higher rating suggests lower borrowing costs for the government and businesses, as investors perceive them as a safe bet. Lower borrowing costs mean more funds available for investments, infrastructure, and social programs, stimulating economic growth. On the contrary, a lower rating implies increased borrowing costs due to higher interest rates. This can lead to reduced investment, job creation, and slower economic development. Furthermore, a country's reputation may be tarnished, making it less attractive to foreign investors. It's important to note that credit ratings are not infallible. They are opinions based on available data and may not always accurately reflect the true financial health of a nation. Critics argue that credit rating agencies are subject to biases, have inherent conflicts of interest, and occasionally miss warning signs of impending financial crisis. That being said, credit rating agencies have an undeniable impact on our global financial system. Their ratings influence investment decisions, bond prices, and interest rates. Understanding their role and the implications of national ratings is crucial for individuals, businesses, and governments alike. So, next time you hear about a country's credit rating, remember that it is a reflection of its economic health and can have far-reaching consequences. It's not just a number, but a key indicator for investors around the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights about finance and economics.